Hello, this is Laptop Media and today we will show you how to open the Acer Aspire 3, A314-22. Removing the bottom plate is easy. You have to unscrew 11 Phillips head screws and after that, you can pop the bottom panel with the aid of a plastic pry tool. Please remember, it would be of great help to us if you just hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. That would motivate us to make even more and better videos for you. The battery is a small 37 watt-hour unit, but that seems normal for an affordable 14-inch laptop. When it comes to upgradability, we have 4 GB soldered memory and 1 RAM SO DIMM slot. For storage, the laptop offers an M.2 slot for NVMe drives, not bad for such a budget device. The cooling is basic. It has one fan, one heatsink, and a single heat pipe.